Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient designs is one of the best upgrades you can make for your celebration home. Not only do new windows improve comfort and reduce energy costs, but they also add to your home's curb appeal. However, the success of your project depends on more than just the windows themselves. Preparing your home before the installation team arrives ensures the process goes smoothly, saves time, and protects your belongings. Here are the key steps to prepare your celebration home for a stress-free window installation project. Clear access around windows. Installers need plenty of space inside and outside to safely remove old windows and install new ones. Inside, move furniture, lamps, or decorative pieces at least 3 feet away from each window. Clear shelves or items hanging on nearby walls to prevent accidental damage. Outside, trim shrubs and trees, move patio furniture, and relocate grills or garden tools. For celebration homes with WA-maintained landscaping, give installers a heads up on any restrictions. By ensuring clear access, you help the crew work efficiently and avoid unnecessary delays. Remove window coverings and hardware. Take down curtains, blinds, shades, and any window hardware before installation day. This protects your coverings from dust and debris while saving installers time. If you plan to reuse your window treatments, store them carefully in a clean, safe spot. Or, consider updating them to match the style and energy efficiency of your new windows. It's the perfect opportunity for a fresh look. Protect floors and valuables. Window installation can create dust and minor debris. A little preparation will keep your home tidy and safe. Cover floors. Place drop cloths or old sheets near each work area to protect flooring. Protect furniture. If large items can't be moved, cover them with plastic or cloth. Secure fragile items. Relocate decor, photos, or electronics from window areas to avoid damage. This extra step makes cleanup easier and keeps your belongings safe. Plan for children and pets. Window replacement can be noisy, and with workers moving in and out of your home, safety is a priority. For kids, make sure children stay out of work zones, or arrange for them to be elsewhere during the installation. For pets, keep pets in a separate room or with a friend to prevent stress and ensure they don't wander into work areas. By planning ahead, you create a safe environment for your family and the installation crew. Communicate with your installers. Good communication with your installation team ensures everything runs smoothly. Confirm the schedule. Double-check the start time and estimated duration of the project. Discuss access points. Decide which entrances and parking spaces the crew can use. Share special concerns. Let them know about security systems, WA requirements, or specific areas needing extra care. Celebrations planned community layout sometimes comes with unique access restrictions, so clear communication is key. Expect temporary disruptions during installation. There may be short periods when parts of your home are exposed. Temperature changes. Florida's warm air may enter your home briefly while old windows are removed. Noise. Power tools and removal can be disruptive, so plan around it if you're working from home. Privacy. With installers moving in and out, plan ahead if you need quiet or private time. Preparing for these temporary inconveniences will make the process much easier. Final thoughts. Window replacement is a smart investment for celebration homeowners, offering improved comfort, lower energy bills, and enhanced curb appeal. By taking the time to prepare, clearing access, removing coverings, protecting your home, planning for family and pets, and communicating with your installers, you set the stage for a smooth, stress-free project. With just a little preparation, you'll soon be enjoying the benefits of your beautiful new windows and the long-term value they bring to your celebration home.